part of the magic of what we've built at Service Express over the past decade is that we have collected an enormous amount of standardized data. And so we can exploit machine learning techniques and we can exploit our database to be able to give us really good predictions. So to say that, well, historically something has happened, so I'm going to prepare for that historical, that's great and that's part of the system. But on top of that, what our system now does, because it is fully predictive, is it will actually determine the likelihood of a part failure even if Service Express has actually never witnessed that failure. So if you have 150 of a certain hard drive, we can predict within X many months that you're going to need one of those hard drives on site. So instead of just reacting to things that have happened or trying to throw a dart at a dartboard and trying to hit the bullseye, our system is able to pick out all of the different places that are likely to have a failure before they actually happen. The on-deck system, as we have built it over time, we've employed a few different machine learning algorithms that will use historical data, but it will also use historical data to predict events that have not happened yet.